Common English expressions in daily life. Do you know that native speakers use the same everyday expressions again and again? Today, you'll learn some of the most useful English expressions that you can start using immediately. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we're going to learn common English expressions used in daily life. These expressions are natural, practical, and very useful for conversations. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I will explain everything step by step and give you plenty of opportunities to practice speaking. Let's get started. Expression 1. How's it going? How's it going means how are you, or how are things. Pronunciation. How's it going? Example. A. Hi, Tom. How's it going? B. Pretty good. Thanks. Repeat after me. How's it going? Again. How's it going? Excellent. Expression 2. I'm doing great. Meaning. I am feeling very good. Example. A. How are you? B. I'm doing great. Repeat. I'm doing great. One more time. I'm doing great. Expression 3. No problem. Meaning. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Example. A. Sorry I'm late. B. No problem. Repeat. No problem. Great job. Expression 4. Sounds good. Meaning. I agree with your idea. Example. A. Let's meet at 5 p.m. B. Sounds good. Repeat. Sounds good. Again. Sounds good. Expression 5. I'm just kidding. Meaning. I'm joking. Example. A. I'm moving to Mars tomorrow. B. Really? A. I'm just kidding. Repeat. I'm just kidding. Excellent. Key vocabulary. Great equals very good. Late equals not on time. Agree equals have the same opinion. Joking equals not serious. Meet equals come together. Model conversation. Listen carefully. Anna. Hi, Mike. How's it going? Mike. I'm doing great. How about you? Anna. Pretty good. Mike. Would you like to have coffee later? Anna. Sounds good. Mike. Sorry if I'm a little late. Anna. No problem. Mike. By the way, I'm buying a private island tomorrow. Anna. Really? Mike. I'm just kidding. Anna. That's funny. Conversation breakdown. Notice how the speakers use simple expressions. How's it going? Starts a friendly conversation. Sounds good. Shows agreement. No problem. Shows understanding. I'm just kidding. Shows that something is a joke. These expressions make your English sound more natural. Speaking drills. Listen and repeat. How's it going? I'm doing great. No problem. Sounds good. I'm just kidding. Now let's practice questions and answers. Question. How's it going? Answer. I'm doing great. Again. Question. How's it going? Answer. I'm doing great. Excellent work. Now answer these questions aloud. How's your day going? What do you usually do after work or school? What activity sounds good for this weekend? Try to answer using complete sentences. Teaching note. Pause for 10 seconds after each question. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Wrong. I am very agree. Correct. I agree. Mistake 2. Wrong. No problems. Correct. No problem. Mistake 3. Wrong. I'm kidding only. Correct. I'm just kidding. Mistake 4. Wrong. How is going? Correct. How's it going? Mistake 5. Wrong. I doing great. Correct. I'm doing great. Remember, small grammar mistakes can make your English sound unnatural. Shadowing practice. Listen and repeat exactly as I say. Hi, Sarah. How's it going? I'm doing great today. Let's have lunch together. Sounds good. Sorry I'm late. No problem. I was joking. I'm just kidding. Wonderful. Try to match the pronunciation, rhythm and intonation. Fluency challenge. Speak for 30 seconds. Introduce yourself. Say how you're doing. Talk about your plans for tomorrow. Use at least 3 expressions from today's lesson. Don't stop speaking. Keep going even if you make mistakes. Confidence comes from practice. Review. Today we learned. How's it going? I'm doing great. No problem. Sounds good. I'm just kidding. These are simple expressions, but native speakers use them every day. Homework challenge. Write a short dialogue using all 5 expressions from today's lesson. Then practice speaking the dialogue aloud 3 times. Record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. Which expression will you use today? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next lesson.